5 power of v minus 3 is equal to 100. Find the value of v. So 5 power of v minus 3 is same as 5 power v over 5 power 3. Then here is equal to 100. Now 5 power v over 5 power 3 is same as 125 is equal to 100. Now we multiply by 125 in both sides. So multiply by 125 multiply by 125. Now we see this 125 will be cancelled. So we apply log in both sides. Log of 5 power v is equal to log of 100 times 125. Here this power v will move to the base, so it will be v log 5 is equal to log of 100 times 125. So this can be written as log 100 plus log 125. We need the value of v, so we have to divide it by log 5 in both sides. So divided by log 5 divided by log 5. This log 5 will be cancelled. Here v will be equal to log of 100 can be written as log of 4 times 25. Log of 100 is same as log of 4 times 25. Then over this log 5 here plus log of 125 is same as 3 log 5 over log 5. Now we see here this log 5 will be cancelled. Now v will be equal to log of 4 times 25 is same as log 4 plus log 25. Then over log 5. Then here plus 3. In the next step, v is equal to log 4 is same as 2 log 2 over log 5 here plus log 25 is same as 2 log 5 over log 5, and here plus 3. In the next step, we have v is equal to, now here this log 5 will be cancelled. Plus 2 plus 3 is same as plus 5. Then here plus 2 times log 2 over log 5. So apply this formula. Log a over log b is equal to log a base b. Log a base b. So, here 2, then log 2 over log 5 is same as log 2 base 5. So this is the value of v. So this is our final answer. Now to check the equation was 5 power of v minus 3 is equal to 100. So here 5 power of v minus 3. So v, that means the value of v, which is this 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5. So this is the value of v, then here minus 3. Is it equal to 100? In the next step, 5 power of here 5 minus 3 is same as 2, here plus 2 log 2 base 5 is same as log 2 power 2, that means 4 base of 5. Is it equal to 100? Here we apply this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 5 power 2 times 5 power log 4 base 5. Is it equal to 100? We have 5 power 2 is same as 25 times. Here we apply this rule, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 5 to the power log 4 base 5 is same as 4 is equal to 100. Now 25 multiplied by 4 is same as 100. So of course 100 is equal to 100. Left side is equal to right side. The value of v has been verified.